Welcome back to our channel Respect Education.
Hi friends, now let us see exercise number 3.2. In this exercise there are 5 questions friends. Let us see the first question, that is the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. See here friends, the scores in mathematics test of 15 students is as follows. Now there are total 25 students, so 15 students. Now you see these are the scores of 15 students. Now let us see what the question is asked. Find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? Now here the thing that is asked is to find the mode and median of this data, and are they same? That means the mode and median both are they same. Now first let us know what is meant by mode. Mode you have learnt here in median and mean, that mean is nothing but the average or the arithmetic mean. Now median means arranging all the numbers or observations in ascending order and to find the middle number. And what is meant by mode? Mode is nothing but the most frequently occurring observation. That means here you see, first suppose here I write 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 5. Here I write 2. That means we can find the mean and median of this data. Here you see mode. Mode means here 2 has come 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 5 has come 3 times, right? Now mode means the most frequently occurring observation. 2 is the most frequently occurring observation because it has occurred 4 times, whereas 5 only 3 times. Clear? Whereas if you find 2 3 times and 5 also 3 times, then both the numbers can be mode. Understood? Now see here, we arrange the data in ascending order. We get 5, 9. Here see these are the numbers here given: 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Now here we get 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25, 25. Now mode is nothing but the most frequently occurring observation. Here you see, you can find 5 only 1 time, 9 1 time, 10 1 time, 12 1 time, 15 1 time, 16 1 time, 19 1 time and 20 1 2 3 4 times, whereas 23 1 time, 24 1 time, 25 2 times. Did you understand friends? Yes. The most frequently occurring observation 20, because this has occurred 4 times. So here 20 which occurs 4 times than any other observation. Clear? Now you see here median. Median means the middle observation. Here we have 15 observations, out of which here you see, out of which 15 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to the 8th observation. Is it clear? There are 15 observations. Plus 1 by 2 is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8th observation. That is, let us count the 8th observation here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8th observation is 20 is equal to 8th observation, that is 20. Therefore, mode is equal to 20 and median is equal to, and median is also 20. And we have another part in this question, that is, are they same? Yes. Mode is also 20, median is also 20. Yes, they are same. With this, question number 1 gets completed. Question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. Here you see the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. Now 6, 15, 120, 50, 50, 100, 80, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15, 15. Now you see here we have to find the mean, mode and the median of this data. Are the three same is the question. Now for anything, let us arrange this data in an ascending order so that we get an idea. Now arranging in an ascending order, we get 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120. Now the first part is to find the mean. Mean is nothing but sum of the observations by number of the observations. This is the formula. Or mean is equal to sum by number. Anything is this formula. Now you see sum of observations 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 by number of observations. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is by 11. Clear? Now see a sum of observations by number of observations. Now sum of observations or sum of all these observations is 429 by 11. Now 429 divided by 11 is 39. Therefore the first part, that is to find the mean, is completed. The mean is 39. Now here you see the second part, that is the mode. To find the mode, the most occurring observation. Mode is nothing but the most occurring observations you have learnt. Now you see here 6, 1 time 8, 1 time 10, 2 times 15, 3 times 50, 1 time 80, 1 time 100, 1 time and 120 1 time. So clearly you can understand that 15 is 3 times. That means 15 is 3 times, whereas all the numbers are 1 time and 2 times. So that you can understand that the mode is the most occurring observation. What is the most occurring observation? 15. Because which occurs 15, which occurs 4 times, 3 times than any other observation. Now second part, that is to find the mode, is also completed. Mode is equal to 15. Now let us find the median. Median is nothing but the medial observation is equal to 6th observation. Since you can see the given number of observations is equal to 11 and medial observation is equal to 11 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 12 by 2. This is the 6th observation. 6th observation is 15. Therefore mean is equal to 39, mode is equal to 15 and median is equal to 15. If you see here, another part of this question is, are the three same? No, they are not same, because mean is 39, mode is 15 and median is 15. So they are not same. With this, second problem gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see third question, that is the weights in cases. The weights of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. Now find the mode and median of this data. So here we have to find the mode and median of this data. This is the first part. Now you see, first for anything we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. We arrange in ascending order, we get 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, 43, 43, 43, 45, 47 and 50. Now mode. Mode, you have already known that the most occurring observation is nothing but the mode. Now the most occurring observation is, here let us write 32 one time, 35 one time, 36 one time, 37 one time and 38 is 3 times, 1 to 3 times, 40 one time, 42 one time and 43 is 3 times, 45 one time, 47 one time and 50 one time. Now you can clearly understand that 38 is 3 times and 43 is also 3 times. Now don't get confused, friends. 38 and 43, since both occur 3 times, the most occurring observation, that is the mode, is 38 and 43. Two numbers can be mode, whereas two numbers cannot be median or mean. Clear, friends? Now median is 8th observation. Since given number of observations is equal to 15, middle observation is equal to 15 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8th observation. Therefore, let us count the 8th observation. What is the 8th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sorry, friends. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, median is equal to 8. And another part of this question, that is, see here, friends, is there more than one mode? Yes, there are 2 modes for the given data. With this, question number 3 gets completed. Okay, friends, now let us see 4th question, that is, find the mode and median of the data. 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14 is the data that is given. Now for anything we have to arrange this data in ascending order. Now we arrange the data in ascending order, we get 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 16 and 9. Here to find the mode and also the median, first let us find the mode. Mode is nothing but the most occurring observation. Here you see, according to the data, 13 is 1 time, 12 is 1 time, 12 is 2 times and 13 is 2 times, 14 is 3 times, 16 is 1 time and 9 is 1 time. That means here you can see most occurring observation is 14, since 14 occurs 3 times. And coming to the median, middle observation is equal to 5th observation. Since given number of observations is equal to 9, middle observation is equal to 9 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5 is equal to 5th observation. Now let us count what is the 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 is the 5th observation, is equal to 14. Therefore, mode is 14 and median is also 14. With this, question number 4 gets completed. Okay, friends, now let us see question number 5, that is, tell whether the statement is true or false. In this question there are 4 bits, friends. Let us see the first bit, that is, the mode is always one of the numbers in the data. Yes, this is a true statement. The reason is that mode is the observation which occurs for the most number of times, right? So it should be the one of the observation. For suppose let us take 2, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 5. Here you see 2 has come 3 times. 2 has come 3 times. The question is that the mode is always one of the numbers in the data. Yes, the mode is always one of the numbers in the data. Clear, friends? Okay, friends, now let us see second bit, that is, the mean is one of the numbers in a data. False. Mean will not be the one of the numbers in the data because mean of observations or data may be or may not be one of the numbers in the data. Suppose it may be the mean of the observations may be one of the numbers or may not be one of the numbers. Suppose you take 6 and 4. The mean of this data 6 plus 4 by 2 is 10 by 2, 5. This is not one of the numbers in this data, right? So, this is not one of the numbers in the data. So, mean of observations of data may be or may not be one of the numbers in the data. Clear? Okay friends, now let us see third bit, that is the median is always one of the numbers in a data. True. Median means the middle number. The middle number will always be a number in a data. So here you see true. Reason, the mean is the middle number, middle observation when they are arranged in ascending order or descending order. Clear friends? Okay friends, now let us see fourth bit, that is the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 39 has mean 9. False. For this we cannot write directly either false or true. First we should do the mean. First we should find the mean and then decide whether this statement is, whether this data, this mean is true or false for this data. Now mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. This is the formula. And sum of observations is 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9 is equal to 64. By number of observations is 8 observations. So it is 64 by 8 is equal to 8. Therefore mean is equal to 8. With this, problem number 5, fourth bit and exercise number 3.2 get completed. Thank you friends.
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.